Well, here we are. I'm out at my dad's place and he's picked up some lawnmowers. So I don't know what they are, but yeah, he seems to think he wants to get them fixed up, so asked me to do it. So that one is a Husqvarna. What model it is, I don't know. I would love to know what model it is. I have my suspicions, but I think this one will be the one to get going. It hasn't got a mower deck on it. You still got the transmission in it. If you can see that in there. Got the wheels, etc. That's not the engine for it. The engine's just over there, I think. It still turns. Still appears to have compression. The starter motor's been pulled off it, so I'm going to have to find one of those. A bit of a project, I think. Maybe a bit of a long-term project. So we're looking to clean them up, well that one anyway, go and take it up to the water blaster and get all the crud blasted off it. That one there I think is the engine for it. Yeah, somebody's taken the starter motor off again. Yeah, so that's, I think this is the engine for it. So 12.5 horsepower. I'm not too sure on what this one is. The cowling's gone, so if anybody can identify it. I think that belongs to the other one just over there. This one here is a wee Cheetah 700 is what I read. So this engine here, Briggs & Stratton, it's seized. I can't turn it at all. So I might look at a bit of a longer project. Briggs & Stratton as well. Yeah, I have to give that a good clean up and see if I can't get that running. It appears to be, that all appears to be seized. Somebody's made pedals for it by the looks of that. Yeah. Yeah, levers still turn. I have no idea what any of them do. That one there would be the one to concentrate on, I think. He picked up a couple of these engines as well. That one, I'm not too sure what it is. I see the markings here. Maybe you can see that, yeah. Made in Italy. So, I don't know whether it's, I think it's a 4-stroke. It's like a Briggs engine. It's either a Briggs or a Tecumseh. I think it turns over, yeah. Yeah, it turns. So, and then we've got this is a Briggs engine. A later model one, I think. So I'll be taking that engine and this engine with me when I go back home. I don't know what model this one is. That I have no idea. This also turns, it needs another pull start rope and handle. So yeah, so that turns over. So that's going to be a bit of a project as well. And he's got this other one. So yeah, a white. Yeah, white and R-126. So I suspect the engine that I've put on the Husqvarna just temporarily belongs in here, but I don't know. I've got to have a look into it. So, but the mower deck is on there. This might be the one to get going then. He wants one to mow the verges, mow the grass verges he's got. So I might take the engine off that, just I've fitted onto the Husky, and put it on here, but then I've got to find the cowling for it. So yeah, so there's a few projects there. There you got all the fuel tank and whatnot. It appears to be all here. These batteries and fuel lines. Fuel lines are real hard as rock. So have to clean all them out. That's all the heights. Wonder if they work. Oh yeah. They appear to work somewhat. Outdoor products. Buckle up for safety. So yeah, this has got the mower deck on it. Might be the one to get going first, maybe. Have to wait and see. Yeah. But I think the Husky would be the one to get going if I can. But he doesn't have the cowling for it, the engine cowling, and there's no mower deck. So this might be a tractor racer. Yeah, so that engine there, I'd have to have a look at it, but see what model it is. But I don't know what model it is. Yeah. All the other ride-ons that I've seen online are the late model ones. And I've seen one online that I think was it RL12 or RL20 or something, I think it was. So, but let's have a look. I wonder if there's any oil in it. Yeah, of course, oil's all low. Yeah, I've got to get some tools and bring some tools over and start working on it. Might be tractor races. Actually, has this got a deck on it? I don't think it has. Yeah, this hasn't got a deck on it either. But that wee Briggs there, I can certainly use the, certainly try to get that going. I've got a wee project for that. That there is either a Tecumseh or a Briggs. I'm not too sure on that one. And that one there, I don't know what model it is. So there's nothing. Normally there's numbers on the cowlings, but I can't see anything. But it is a Briggs, and I haven't seen much online about it. Yeah, so right, there we go, people. Yeah, a few projects coming up, I see. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on this anyway, so yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.